Shut up, guys. I got it.
Please stand by. Station WXK42 will be up shortly.
Dang, they take a long time to
The NOAA's National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Polk County in northwestern Minnesota, eastern Grand Forks County in northeastern North Dakota, northeastern Trail County in southeastern North Dakota, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Emerito, 8 miles west of Grand Forks, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and buildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Grand Forks and Maryfield around 10:50 p.m. East Grand Forks and Thompson around 10:55 p.m. Bigland and Mallory around 11 o'clock p.m. Davidson around 11:05 p.m. Fisher around 11:10 p.m. Also includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 121 and 152.
Wait,
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.